Alright, it has come in. The Mountain Dew Typhoon. A rare exclusive flavor now to the Dew store. They brought it back and I was able to get a case of it. And this is going to be an unboxing video. And I'm going to do a taste test video of it in another video. So let's open this up. Ooh, ooh. Just like some of the other ones, it probably should have like a bigger card sheet thing that has the logo and everything on it. Not as big as before. And this definitely was jumbled around a little bit more than usual. This is normally not like this. This was like that when I opened it. Here it is. Oh, that is awesome looking. Love the colors. Let's check out one of these bad boys. Oh, yes, look at that. Mountain Dew Typhoon. Dew with a blast of tropical punch, natural and artificial flavor. Okay. There's not really much to these unboxing videos. Basically, it's just how this is. I know some people are interested in it. Okay, I'm going to put one of these in the fridge, cool it down, and review it. And that'll be in a separate video, hopefully up today. Alright, any comments or questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye, buddy, bye.